Alright, this is how you assemble your first spear male tube onto your Velcro tubes adapter. Essentially what we're going to do is going to take this bottom portion of the field repair edge, you're going to insert it through the rear, as seen, and do that for both sides. Now in order to get this bar into this piece of laminate, you're going to want to bend in, or you're going to want to pull and go over that hole. It's a little difficult, and you won't tear any of the stitching and you won't tear any of the laminate. It is designed to stretch just to an extent, and you should be able to go over and insert from there. Now from this point forward, you can see there's a little chamfer here on the rear. You want this bar on the other side, because what you're going to do, take your index finger and push down on this little edge until you get over the hole for the other piece, for the other loop of laminate. You're going to wiggle it in, it'll go in as such, and you just do the exact same thing for the other edge. Make sure the bar is on this side where the chamfer is, push down and insert through. It is a little difficult, so just have a little bit of patience, but you should be able to get it in.